Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Samco Infratech. I am Shivangi Srivastav, Technical Engineer at Samco Infratech. Today I am going to explain you the benefits of barcode type cell sorting machine. But firstly, we will know what is barcode type cells and machine. Those cells on which barcode are located that known as barcode type cells, and when we have barcode on cells, then we need such a machines that can scan the barcode and find the actual value of cells. And for this there is a special sorting machine in which the feature of barcode scanner is given, is called barcode type cell sorting machine. And now we will know features and working of this barcode scanner. The barcode scanners consist of an internal decoder and a cable which are connected to the computer through compatible ports. A scanning device uses a laser to read the barcode by scanning in the unique barcode of shaded lines. A barcode scanners read the barcode which turns the information in the binary code. Now let's talk about benefits of barcode type cell sorting machine. With this machine, if there are many cells in a group, then we can easily find any specific cell with the help of barcode numbers. After few years, if battery packs come for service, then we can easily identify the group of cell and can find the values of cells like AH, voltage, IR and many more. Some major benefits of using barcode type cell sorting machine is that it can improve efficiency, accuracy, streamline inventory management, provides better data, eliminate human error and saving the time. So this is the main benefits of barcode type cell sorting machine. Now let's start the operation and see how to start this barcode type cell sorting machine. This is our 18650 10 channel cell sorting machine with barcode scanner. Here we have to code the cells which you want to sort. For starting this machine, at first we have to go on system settings. Here we can create a program on the basis of our cells, voltage value and resistance value. Then here is a COM port selection. We have to communicate it. For communicate this PLC, we have to click on test, then IR, then scan. Then we have to save the setting. Now we click on automatic interface. At first we have to select the type of cell. We have 18650 type cell. Then we have to click on check, then run. After sort the cells, you can see data here. We have to find the today's data and open. Here we can see our full data. We can also save this data. So this is all about cell sorting machine with barcode scanner. For watching detailed operation of this machine, the link is in my description box. Thanks for watching this video. Please like and share this video, and for more videos and updates, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon. Thank you.